Hi, I'm Mitch Rankin, the co-founder of Ford, and I'm here to talk to you about the Basic NFT Smart Contract that you can find in the Ford Factory Marketplace. The Basic NFT Smart Contract enables you to deploy an NFT on the blockchain. And just to summarize what NFTs are, they're non-fungible tokens. They're digital assets, very similar to cryptocurrencies, but they can only be owned by one person at a time. So unlike cryptocurrencies with millions or billions of the same token existing, NFTs are limited to one unique digital token. And the asset's unique token ID and metadata act as the proof of ownership for the individual that buys the NFT. So with that in mind, let's look at why you'd actually need an NFT and where you can use it. NFTs themselves are always digital, but an NFT can be used to represent ownership or partial ownership of a real-world object or a real-world asset. For example, a jeweler could use NFTs to sell partial ownership rights to precious diamonds. The jeweler could store the diamonds and mint unique NFTs representing partial ownership, or fractionalize the asset ownership of each particular diamond that they hold. As the value of the diamond goes up or down, so the value of the NFT would either go up or down, just to follow that. Now, these digital assets have numerous real-world use cases, and I'd like to look at a couple of examples just to see where you fit in and if you could actually use this application. Large corporations use NFTs to represent products within their supply chain, letting them track the product's locations and to make the data immediately available to the people in the organization using it. Shipping and storage data information can be uploaded to the blockchain using oracles, and NFTs transfers can be automatically executed using smart contracts. Retailers can use geolocation technology to let customers unlock unique NFTs when shopping at their stores. Additionally, stores can reward people with NFTs when they buy specific products, or vice versa. Eventually, I believe we may see retailers and other businesses actually replacing their royalty reward programs and systems with NFT-based rewards that can be exchanged for discounts or free goods. And here are 5 use cases for NFTs. Identity certification and documentation. Personal identity management documentation such as degrees, academic certificates, licenses, and other qualifications, as well as medical records, both for birth and death certificates. Digitally storing and protecting medical history. Personal profiles, education can help prevent identity theft. Domain name ownership. With a blockchain domain system, owners can control their domains using private keys. Blockchain domain names are recorded permanently in a public registry and can't be deleted or altered by third parties, helping to eliminate concerns. This is really important when it comes to ownership and preventing theft. In real estate, NFTs have applications for selling digital real estate in both the virtual and the real worlds. Using NFTs ensures that the object's original producers and owners can actually be identified as the real owners. There are already several examples of virtual real estate sales. Real-world real estate applications of NFTs are basically in their infancy. But we need to figure out how this goes forward. And this contract is a way, this application is a way of you actually doing that. We can use it for art, for luxury brands, for sport and athletic and other memorabilia. Applications for NFTs have taken off primarily in the collectibles, the art, the gaming, and the virtual worlds. But sports tickets and other collectibles are also being tokenized. Crypto art and other entertainment applications derive most of their value from the ability to provide digital verification and authenticity of ownership. In markets that are plagued by counterfeiting and fraud, such as art, luxury brands, collectibles, NFTs can actually ensure the integrity of that supply chain. So the main function of NFTs in the supply chain is authenticating ownership and verifying origins. And although right in the early stages of blockchain, you might find a certain application in your business that needs this authentication, transparency, and verification. In the food and other perishable goods industries, knowing where it's been produced, how much time it's taken to get to market is very important. So we can see that ultimately NFTs offer a new means of making money by digitizing assets, by monetizing intellectual property, and by verifying the authenticity of physical assets on the internet. I hope I've given you some ideas of how you could use the Basic NFT Smart Contract. Have I covered everything? If not, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear suggestions, and we can provide more information for you. And if you've got any ideas, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to work with you. We'd be happy to find out the best application for your business use case.